Welcome to the Temple Municipal Court. I do want to thank everyone for being here. We're going to jump right on in, and I'll go ahead and ask Mr. Matson if he could. Sorry, we had a noise cancellation. Woo. Okay. I do want to thank everyone. Mr. Matson, could you just go off mute for a moment and introduce yourself?
Good morning, everyone. I'm Ryan Matson. I'm the prosecutor for the City of Temple.
Thank you.
Judge, just so you're aware, I have Attorney Hayden in person with me right now. So if I could just talk to him before I have a breakout room, that would be helpful.
You have whom?
John Hayden. He's here representing his father, John Hayden, on 2 outside storage offenses.
Okay, and he's there at where
Yes, he's
your
here in person with me
location?
right now.
Okay, let me know when you're ready to start because I'm ready to start your docket.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. So, just make a few announcements and then we'll move as promptly as we can. I do want to let folks know that, municipal court is a court of record, and that, I'm sorry, I'm just getting hit with messages. I'm not going to be able to, other than staff. Okay. Okay, well, that's what we just found out. Okay, so I do want to let you know a few things. Municipal court is a court of record in this particular case. That means we're the decision maker subject to appeal. I do want to let you know also that, when you're given a ticket or issued a citation, these are methods for accusing a person. That is what a ticket is. It's an accusation. When you give a plea, you're giving your answer, your response to that accusation. There are really three basic pleas that are entered here. Guilty means I committed this offense. Not guilty means I'm contesting this offense. No contest means I'm not contesting it or admitting it. I'm just moving forward. So if you're pleading guilty or you're pleading no contest, I am moving forward with sentencing. If you're pleading not guilty, I'm moving that case onto a pretrial docket and then to trial. Everyone has the right and is presumed to be not guilty and has the right to a jury trial. And a jury trial in municipal court, when it is conducted by myself or the judge on duty with a 6-member jury. So we do that here in the courtroom. Other than the check-in on pretrial, which is a convenience, we are not authorized to really do trials online. So that means coming to the court for the court time, the court date, in that particular instance. People sometimes waive their right to a jury. When they do that, they're invoking the option to a bench trial. If the state also waives their right to the jury, then the jury trial is effectively waived and the case gets scheduled onto the bench docket. But otherwise, both sides have the right to a jury and have the jury hear the case. I do want to let you know that in municipal court, Class C court is what this is. If you are found guilty of an offense, you are not going to be subjected to a a sentence of jail time as a result of being found guilty here in the court. Warrants can issue for failures to appear, for non-attendance in court at the appropriate court date. So you do want to keep up with your court dates. If you're represented by counsel, it is up to your attorney to keep up with that date. And I'm sure that you can talk to your attorney about that expectation. I don't really step into that, okay? But just make sure that you're clear what is expected of you through your attorney. I did note all the people logging in. There were a couple of people I couldn't identify. So they will actually, right now, I'm going to send an unmute request to those particular parties and have them unmute and tell me who they are.
I'm,
iPhone for, what is your name?
I'm Dominique Childs. I'm sorry. I'm currently
That's
working.
fine. Okay, Mr. Childs, I have you down.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm actually going to change your name just for purposes of the meeting. It
Yes,
won't
ma'am. I was
change it.
trying to do it.
It's fine. It won't change permanently. It'll just be for this meeting so that
Okay.
I don't get lost.
Yes, ma'am.
And I've got another person coming in. Hold on. And they don't have their name on theirs either. Hold on one second. Okay. So there was another iPhone. Let me just check. Let's see.
I think it's me,
Yes. Hi. What is your name?
Austin Bory,
How do you spell the last name?
Bowry.
Oh, Mr. Bowery. Okay. Bowery. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm actually scheduled to talk to you, so we'll get down to that in just a quick moment. And then someone that I just let in, let's see, Rochelle or Rachel's S24 Ultra. Can you unmute and tell me your name?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Were you speaking to me? My name's Rochelle.
Yes, Rochelle, what is your last name?
Farrow, F as in Frank, ORROW. Here for Jim Klepper.
Oh, I see. Clapper. One second, I saw that name go by. Here for Jim Klepper. Okay, is that Klepper?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me look that up. I need to
It's
see if we.
for Michael Higgins is the client.
Oh, I see. Michael Higgins.
And I'm sorry, Your Honor, I was just running a little late.
That's okay. You're here for the attorney, Jim Klepper, for Michael Higgins' case.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. I just want to, I want to get the name straight. So I'm so sorry, Rochelle. Can you tell me your last name again?
It's Farrow, F as in Frank,
Yes,
ORROW.
I now am on the same sheet of music. Thank you. Okay, thank you very much. I appreciate you being patient with me as well. So I am waiting for the prosecutor to come back. While I do that, if I could talk to you, Mr. Bowery or Bowery, if you'll re-unmute for me, that would be helpful.
Yeah.
Okay, so I just kind of want to I want to condense what we're talking about. I'm the one who asked to meet with you. I had a community service order, and I got word through your message that you had a new job and that you wanted to change to payments. And I don't mind at all, but I really like to know that it's going to work out before I void the prior order. Are you with me so far?
Yeah, I'm with you.
Because we've reset that community service order a couple of times,
Yeah.
and that's really been going on since like April or so. So what I wanted to do was get updated income information. So I had the clerk have you send it to us, but it's still, you filled it out, but it wasn't included. Could I have you raise your right hand where I can see it?
Oh,
Do you swear or affirm that you will tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
yes.
Thank you. Let me pause for a minute. Just stay right there.
Okay.
Mr. Matson, I'm going to talk to the prosecutor for a minute. I'll be right back with you.
Okay.
Mr. Matson, on John Hayden, I have a dismissal in front of me. Is that the option that the state is recommending?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Let me get that file pulled. Hold on 1 minute. Because I definitely want to move you forward. You've got a heavy docket this morning,
No kidding.
which is fine. The dismissal is on the outside storage case that was filed for February 6th. There is another one from February 25th. Are y'all addressing that one?
Yes, Judge. There are dismissals on both.
Okay, we'll find the other one. I just received one, but we'll run it down. Can we email that to the attorney on file?
Yes, we have his email address and told him that it would be sent to him sometime today.
Okay. And is he still there with you?
He just walked out the door.
Okay. Let's look for that other one. Okay, I'm going to move you forward, Mr. Matson. with the attorney for, hold on 1 minute, Elliott Deutsch's law firm, the attorney for Vernon Gary, and there's actually, I believe, another one or two. No, just Gary and Teague. So I will move y'all forward. Give me a minute to do that. Okay.
All right. We're unmuted. We're unmuted.
Okay. All right. They'll meet. They have a couple of cases, and then they'll come back. Now, Mr. Bowery, again, let me have you unmute. And where are you working? Are you still working?
Yeah, I'm actually like just got a job like maybe about I think like last month, like maybe the beginning of last month, and but it's like part time and
I
it's like
understand that it's part-time,
it's
but where?
contract. Oh, is in Houston,
Okay. What are you doing there?
moving company.
Do you know the name of the company?
Yeah, Gorilla Movers.
Okay. When you're paid, what does your paycheck look like?
To be honest, maybe 200 a week right now. For now, I just got back my driver's license from like I used the money I made from when I started to get my driver's license back. So he had me on a 3 month probation. Then he gave me a raise and
Okay.
put me on the payroll.
Okay. Okay. So things are getting better for you.
Yeah, you can say that. Yeah.
Okay. You want to be on a payment plan?
Yeah.
That sounds very non-committal,
No,
and I don't have
sorry,
any
sorry.
hours for
Yeah.
you.
Huh?
And these cases are 2 years old, so I'm really needing to see some progress.
Yeah.
And I
I'm gonna
feel
do
that
it.
I have been very patient working with you, and I've given you multiple opportunities at
Yeah.
community service. And this switching back and forth, I mean, I need to line up something that's going to work.
Yeah. Yeah. It'll work.
What can you pay today?
Let me see something. He's supposed to pay me today. Hold on. Let me check see if he paid me today at all. Yeah. Would I be able to make the payment by this afternoon?
Yes, but you have to do it this afternoon.
Okay, he's supposed to
And
pay me today.
what? Sorry?
He usually as I say, is like a contract work, so he usually cash up me like every
Yeah,
week. Yeah.
right. Are you living with family?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. So you can pay $50 over the phone with the clerk this afternoon, right?
Yes.
And then we'll do $50 a month, but you have to sign a payment agreement. So I can send that to the email that we used for this meeting today.
Yeah.
Will that work for you?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll send it. You need to sign it, and then you need to call the clerk this afternoon and make that payment.
Okay. I mean, as soon as he he's supposed to send it this morning, so as soon as he send it, I'll call the clock and make the payment.
But you also need to sign off,
Oh yeah,
okay?
yeah. I will do that. Yeah.
Okay.
And one more question: how much do I owe?
Hold on. Um, okay. First of all, you have to print it, sign it, and email it back to us. Is that going to work?
I could probably gotta go by a library or something. I'll see if I could go to a library today.
Yeah,
That's
we
that's
need to
that's
get,
that's the
we
reason
need to
why
get,
I did it. That's the reason why I did it. I guess how I did it. Just use my phone and just type it in. So, but you need it printed.
I don't mind a picture if I can read it. If it's in focus and I can see the whole corner to corner page,
Uh,
it's okay.
oh no, what I'm asking if I could just do it on my laptop, like just type it in the. Can I do that, or you want it?
No, I need a
Okay,
legal signature. It's
okay,
a
okay,
legally binding document.
okay. Okay, I'll see if I could go to a library today and do it.
Right. You're going to have to get that done.
It gotta be done today, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay,
And yes.
okay,
Otherwise, you're going to have to talk to me again.
okay. I could probably. Okay, I gotta find a library then.
What is this total? 318 and some change? It's on the page I handed to you.
It is 318.50.
Your total is 318 and 50 cents.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have any additional questions?
No.
Okay, you're good to hang up then.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
Okay.
I am looking for Miss Choppa's file. Here it is. Got it. Is Mr. Christy Humphrey available yet? Do you know, it's with Feed My Sheep. Does Aaron have anyone? Yeah, she says he's here in the group chat. Okay, first I need to talk to Araceli Choppa. Miss Choppa, can you unmute and get on screen? I'll come back to her in a moment. Mr. Matson, let me see if Mr. Deutsch needs to be moved over. No, he's here. If y'all could both unmute, you and Attorney Deutsch, and let's talk about those cases. Can we
Judge,
start
we can
with
start with Vernon
can we
Gary, if
start
that's
with the
okay with
Vernon
you.
Carey case? Sorry, can we start with the Vernon Carey case?
Yes, we can.
Okay.
Mr. Deutsch and I did reach an agreement for a deferral on that case.
I'm holding it right now. Payment would be in 30 days, of course in 60 days. The deferral period ending October 28th.
That sounds
Attorney
right.
Deutsch.
Oh,
Attorney
that's correct.
Deutsch.
Ron, we accept that offer. The plea will be changed to no contest, and we thank the prosecutor for his efforts and attention.
Okay, that's perfect. I'm gonna send this to you. And I already have my signature on it. The main reason being I don't want to have you send it back, then send it back. So once you sign it and send it to us, the copy that you've signed is your copy. Okay, will that
Great.
work?
Perfect.
Okay. Do you have any questions about that one?
No, the next one's even easier.
Okay. So on Latoya Teague, where are we?
Just sign this dismissal, Judge. I'm handing it to Aaron right now. We've
Okay.
received a copy of an updated current license.
Okay, I will sign that. And we will email that over to you, Attorney Deutsch.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good morning. Have a wonderful day.
Good morning and have a wonderful day too. You are excused with the thanks of the court.
Appreciate it. Bye-bye now.
Bye-bye. Great. Okay, Mr. Matson, let's move you forward with the Tkach Law Firm. And I have Attorney Kendra Pyle here. Great. And I think she's unmuted. Perfect. Let me move y'all over to the breakout room. Okay. Araceli Choppa, are you able to get on screen? I'm also not hearing you. You are unmuted, which tells me you're there because you were muted, but I'm not hearing you. Can you check your volume maybe, perhaps turn it all the way up? So I have a language barrier too. And So, ma'am, what I have is a case where there's a hold on your license because it's an old case from April 12th of 2023. And I do have you living in San Antonio. I'm going to ask you to hang up and call the clerk. I'm going to ask you to call the clerk. Oh, she's back in the waiting room. Okay, let's try it. She might need to talk to Zena. Okay, Miss Chapa, can you unmute? Can you get on screen? Okay, so I'm just going to go back to having you hang up and call the clerk, please, and ask for Zena. The number is 254-298-5687. Thank you. I'm just going to have to remove you from the meeting because it's not working. I think I can call her after with either Zena or Diana. We'll try. We'll try it that way. Okay, I'm almost done with my docket. I'm telling you, we've got a long pretrial today. If I could, though, it would be great. Folks that feed my sheep, I believe Christy Humphrey is going to talk with me this morning. Miss Stotts, is she available?
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
We can't hear you. Hold on. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
I still can't.
Attorney Swain, can you hear me? Thumbs up. Can folks hear me?
Down.
Yes, Judge, I can hear you.
Okay, I think Miss Stotts, it's over there. I'm just going to review the file and see what I can figure out here.
Okay, Kendra, I just want to make sure I have the correct clients for you. Applewhite, Dillard, Gist, and Yaktali.
Mostly, I'm just hearing.
Those are just the ones that I have not already small discovery on.
Aaron, I had to mute you because all I'm hearing is Ryan. I'm trying to find out if Miss Humphrey has her driver's license.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. It's just that I can hear everything. It's very loud, and I can hear.
Hold on just 1 minute. They have Ryan and I in the same room, and so we get feedback.
That's not going to work because I am not supposed to listen to Ryan negotiating cases. But I wrote you notes about Miss Humphrey, and maybe we can just get it sorted that way. I still don't know if she can hear me. She's talking to me, but she's muted. It's chaotic today.
Oh, Jenny's up there.
Yes.
I see her.
Yeah, she's right there.
Hi, Miss Humphrey.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
It's been about a month or so since we spoke. How are things going with getting your license?
I don't know if that's ever going to happen to me because they do things different, I guess, now. She says that you'll come in and take, well, I'm thinking about just getting ID. She said you'll come in and watch it's like 3 different sessions now that you have to do. You got to come in, watch a video about texting and driving, and then you'll come in and do a thing about the written. Then make another appointment for the driving thing, and nobody wants to do a car for me. So that's
Okay.
a mess.
Well,
So
I
can
don't
I just
mind
do an
to.
ID or no?
Well, I mean, you can get an ID. I'm not stopping you, but you can't drive on an ID. You have to
Right,
drive
right,
only with a license. So you have an expired license charge, and our goal was for you to get that license and for the charge to get dismissed and not be on your record. And I'm still available to make that extend out
right.
and give you time. I don't want you to give up on that goal
No, I
because,
don't want to either, but it's going to take me a little bit because I know they can't even get me in for ID until July 30th.
okay,
So, I mean, I need time to study it, and I still want to do it too. So, but
okay.
I just want to see
How,
how your timing was. I don't want to overdo you, and you're the boss.
oh
The
no.
way I look at it, it's your say, you
So
know?
So I understand what you're saying, but let me tell you two things. This is my job to be here, okay?
I just had
And
9 deaths in 3 months, and it's really took, from Tennessee, and that's just been hard on me. I lost a son, grandbaby 2 days later, but I don't just want my
it's a
IDs. I want my
lot.
license, but I need a little bit more time.
Part of getting your license is to just work at getting your life back. So I
I mean, it's a
think the
privilege,
best
so.
yeah, I think the best thing would be to let's keep checking in about every 30 days or so. Let me look and see when my next
Okay.
I have Zoom in August. Let me check on that date real quickly because the Zoom in June is going to be it's going to be before your meeting with DPS, so that's not going to help us. Hold
Just
on.
be like
Let
a
me get my,
emotional to her.
you would just be telling me the same thing you're telling me today, which is not a problem. The 25th of August, we're going to schedule you for that, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And Miss Erin is going to help you get set up for that meeting. Okay,
Okay.
she's my boots on the ground over there. And
Okay.
I want you to keep working at this goal and not give
Yes,
up.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
So I'm going to let you go and I'll mute you, but I'm here if you have questions. Aaron, Miss Stotts, Aaron will work with you. If I need to jump back in and talk to y'all, she'll let me know. Okay.
Thank you so much for everything.
Yes, ma'am. Miss Stotts,
Yes, ma'am.
just resetting her onto the August docket for Zoom.
Okay, for community court.
Yes.
Okay, we'll get that done.
Thank you so much. And just let
Thank
me
you,
know if
ma'am.
you need me. Let me know if you need me.
All right, we will. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye bye. Okay. Still waiting on Mr. Matson, but it's probably the heavier docket dealing with this particular law firm. They have a lot of things. And after that, I think it will be more smooth. Let's see. So, after that will be Attorney Lloyd Newton, and that is for the Wilfred Madelis case. Attorney Newton, are you still here? There he is. Okay, your turn's coming up.
Thank you, Judge.
You bet. Did we email Mr. Wolf?
Yes, I did.
Thank you. Here we go.
Judge, this is Steve Blythe. Am I
Yes.
interrupted for a moment? I had filed a motion for continuance that Ryan had no objection to it.
Okay.
So
Let me
if
find
we
that.
need to sit through this or not.
Okay. Let me double check that.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you for letting me know. That's on Charles Newman.
Correct.
I have your motion. My next available for this court docket on Zoom is going to be on 7/28. Can we make that date work, Attorney
Well,
Blythe?
Judge, I don't think so. If in my motion I stated the 3 misdemeanor cases, it's going to take at least into September to work those out. So I was asking for a continuance till the end of September. Ryan's agreed your case can be heard or considered by the court on the others, but they won't agree to consider it till we work out the agreement on the other cases. It's going to take a couple more months to do that.
I understand. Okay. Give me a moment. I'm now, of course, having an additional problem. Hold on. It's wild today. I don't. Everything got shut down. Okay, just getting to my calendar for September. I think we're looking at September 29th.
That's perfect, Judge.
I actually appreciate with your motions, Mr. Blythe, that they conform to the law and in all the good ways. I
Thank you.
know it seems like a crazy thing to have to compliment someone on, but since we all said we would do that, but I don't know. I appreciate it. I do.
All right. Thank you.
Yes. Let's see. Now I'm trying to. All right. You are good to go with the thanks of the court. And of course, I will let Mr. Matson understand what happened, but I believe y'all have already spoken.
Appreciate it, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you. You take care, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Can you?
I'm trying to tell Zena that your judge told her to speak with you.
Mhm. Because it's just,
And then to try to log on.
well, what would be great is if Zena can just tell me that they are conversing. And what I'm trying to do, she has a hold on her license. And what she's saying, she sent me her medical papers. And, there's something going on with her eyes, but I can't, I don't have enough in here for me to understand, what's happening with her eyes. And I mean, getting a license with a problem with your eyes is, of course, I don't know what she's trying to do. She just said, it's in Spanish, but she said that she's having health trouble and, she wants community service. And then she gave me some medical paperwork. So I can, I don't see how I'm going to deal with the fact that I can't communicate with her. And I don't know what the medical paperwork is for or whether her health conditions are debilitating. And I'm looking for the payment application. So someone's going to have to explain to her how to find an alternate provider. I think she is indigent. And it seems more like something that it's more about just finding out what her intention is, what her health problem is, and, if the goal is to do community service or if the goal is to have me waive it. That's what I'm trying to figure out. Hi, Mr. Matson. Great. And Ms. Attorney File, let's go ahead and work through. Let's take it alphabetically and start with Applewhite. Could we please?
We can, Judge. On Applewhite, discovery was sent over this morning,
Hang on
and we have an
just a
offer.
moment. Let me just pause you. Okay, there's Attorney File. Okay, go ahead.
Discovery was provided this morning, and we have an offer. So if we could reset to give Ms. File a chance to talk to her client.
Okay. That next reset date is July 28th. Can we make that work?
Yes.
Okay, we will send over that reset to your law firm. Let's move on to the Luan Bessa case.
Judge, on that one, I'm going to be sending over a motion to reduce the speed. Once that has been entered, they'll be changing their plea to no contest and making payment within 30 days.
Do they need 30 days to pay?
Yes, please.
Okay. I can do that.
Luan Bessa.
I will send copies of those signed motions to you, Attorney File, and then just a letter noting 30 days to pay.
Okay.
Thank you. And Tevin Dillard?
Same situation as Mr. Applewhite, Judge. We got an offer and discovery provided today. If we could reset.
Okay, resetting to the same reset date on the 28th.
That works.
Will that work, Attorney File?
Yes.
Great. Okay. Jamal Gist?
Same situation as the Applewhite and Dillard, Your Honor.
Okay. All resets are on the same date?
That is perfect.
Great. Okay. Tony Harris?
Resetting to the 28th as well, please.
Has discovery been done?
It has. I just sent it over to her.
Okay, great.
On which one?
Okay. Resetting to 7/28. And then Vincent
Yes.
Lyons, this is the second appearance.
I was hoping for one more reset, Judge. We discussed a little bit more about the case with the prosecutor, and we're hoping to get a decision from the client quickly.
Okay, we'll reset to that 28th date. And then finally, nope, we're not there yet. Zibahula Kadari.
Yes,
I'll let you take this one, Kendra. Go ahead.
uh, we lost contact with him. We're starting our withdrawal procedures for our firm. That's send him a notice and then give him 10 days to respond and then file the motion. So I'm hoping for a reset so that we can start our withdrawal process.
Okay, just make sure you certify the last name and address that you have for him when you make that motion, because asking me to do that before you've gone through the hoops, I deny them until I get all that done because I've got to rely on your filing.
Yep, we like to jump through the hoops first. So
Yes, yeah. Okay, thank you. And then finally, Kambez Yaftali. Cool.
That one would also be reset to the 28th, please, Your Honor.
Okie doke. Has discovery been done?
It has.
Okay. All right. That seems to conclude the events that we have cases with the Tkach firm. Is that both of your understandings?
yes.
It is.
Very good. Okay, then. I will dismiss you if you are ready to go, Ms. File, if there's no further questions.
No, thank you so much.
Thank you. You're free to hang up when you're ready. Attorney Newton and Attorney Matson, I'll move y'all together to the breakout room.
Thank you.
Of course. Let's see. Let me just...
Judge, I have a trial setting in district court at 10 a.m. I don't know if maybe I could just ask for a trial motion for a continuance. I apologize.
Sorry.
I don't do these very often. It's going to take this long.
Right.
I'm here on Elena Hernandez.
Okay. Can you have your office send over a motion later today?
Yes, Judge, I'll get that done.
Okay.
And I apologize.
I understand. Okay. I used to be on dates that weren't busy with other things over there, but it just appears to be impossible now. Okay.
I understand that.
Yeah, we'll reschedule you to 7/28.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And I'll just make a note that, y'all will send a formal motion later today, sometime today.
Thank you, Judge.
You're free
Thank
to
you,
go.
Judge.
Thank you.
Maybe excuse.
Thank you. Yes, Attorney
Thank you.
Tisdale, you're good to go. You're welcome. Okay. All right. Let's see. This is Teague. Okay, I remember.
We're ready for you, Judge.
Okay, one moment. Almost ready. Here's that one. Okay. Let's see. We are looking at, is this Mr. Newton? Attorney Newton?
Yes, Judge.
Let me move him over. Okay, we're back together, and let's go ahead and review. This is on Lloyd Newton as the attorney. Wilfred Matillis is the client, and it's a single charge of speeding. Where are we with regard to this matter?
Judge, I just spoke to my client this morning. He's going to plead to the reduced charge, and we will accept that. I'll get the paperwork sent over to you today, and he'll get that paid this week or next.
Okay. So I'll just do, 30 days, but he can always get it paid earlier. I'll wait for that change in reduction
Okay.
to be sent over. Once I have it and have signed it, I will email it to you, Attorney Newton, and then you'll know that our system reflects
Thank you
that
very much, Judge.
change. Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Judge, that's actually already been done. It looks like it has already been updated in LT.
Okay, I guess I signed that one this morning or yesterday. I'm not sure. I
It took a bit of
remember.
convincing for my client, but he accepted the offer.
I understand. Okay.
I'll get that paperwork to you today.
Okay. There's nothing further that I see from your law firm, Attorney Newton. Is that right?
That is correct.
Do you have any
All a good day.
questions of the court before you go?
No, ma'am. I'm good. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're good to
Free to
go.
leave?
Yes, you are good to go. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're excused. Attorney Miller, you're up next with Mr. Mattson. Let me move you over to that meeting.
Yes, Your Honor.
Then we have, let's see. Attorney Swain's coming up. Attorney Dillon.
Did you see what Zena said?
Where is it? I can't look at the email.
Surgery. Surgery in July. Yeah. She said she can't see right. We asked her what she wants to do.
Is she still on the phone with her? If so, ask her if she has a way to make payment.
So, if she makes payments, then how much?
Yes. And then, we'll go from there.
Zena's kind of acting like the one that's speaking.
Okay, well, that's not what one.
They should have said that.
But that doesn't matter because I can't get her sound to work over here. So let Zena know that the sound is not working over here. That's something to take up at a different time. Good morning. Mr. Aggie or Aggie, I don't know which it is.
It's AG.
Mr. Agee, thank you. I'm Judge Person. Good
Yes, ma'am.
morning.
Good morning.
I'm looking. Your attorney doesn't appear to be here right now.
No, ma'am. I texted her through my client portal just to see when she's showing up,
Okay.
and I'm
Have
still
you had
waiting
a
on a response.
reply? Okay. All right. That's okay.
No,
I'm
ma'am.
just
I'm
kind of.
still waiting.
What now?
What was that?
I asked, what did you say?
I'm still waiting on a response, ma'am.
Okay. If you get a response, you might give me a little wave and let me see if we can, I don't want you to have to sit here when you don't need to, but I do not have any request to change the date, so I'm assuming she'll be here.
Yes, ma'am. I'm gonna text her again just to give her another heads up.
Of course. Thank you.
Thank you.
Let me see here. Do you know Dominique Childs? Has she had a reset before?
Why is this not pulling up?
Don't know.
No.
Okay. Miss Childs, I did reply to your message.
Yes, ma'am. I see that. I appreciate that. I'm so sorry.
I understand. Hopefully you're pulled over and not
Yeah,
driving, but
I Trust me, I've been I've
yeah.
been pulled over this whole time.
Okay. I can reset you to the 28th of July.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, we'll do that.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
You're good to go.
Thank you. Have a good day.
And you too. Stay
Thank
safe.
you. Yes.
Regina was saying that the woman's not on the phone anymore. She won't answer now. Still trying to get into it.
Yeah, she's not trying to get into Zoom right now, but we'll handle it later.
Good morning, Judge.
Hi, Attorney Tyrock. Good morning.
I
I d-
reset these cases on Friday last week.
let me see if I have a motion for that.
It looks like I got an email confirmation from Aaron Stotts yesterday
Okay.
that said this email is to advise the above case has been set for pretrial and or discovery hearing August 25th at 9 a.m. by Zoom.
Right. Your client did not know that, so he was here. So I thought we still might have something to address.
No, Your Honor, these are going to be both resolved with a plea, and that will give us time to get that resolved between now and then.
Okay.
So I apologize.
Thank you for logging on. I'm looking for that paperwork because it's not. Can you check that file, please? Danny, AGEE. I came in yesterday and did sign a bunch of things, and his name is familiar, so maybe that feels like about a year ago. So I was on vacation for a week, so some things got held up a little.
That's okay. No worries. We'll get them resolved, Your Honor, and hopefully before August. I talked with Ryan last week.
Okay, very good. You're good to go.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Mr. G, you are good to hang up now, and Ms. Tyrock will visit with you about what's happening, okay?
Thank you.
Thanks,
Thank you.
Judge.
I think it comes down to a last minute granting of a motion. So probably, there wasn't time to update everybody. Okay?
Thank you. May I be excused?
Of course. Thank you
Thank
for
you.
that. You are good to go.
Am I good as well?
Yes, sir. Of course.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
One of the cases that's been reset.
If we're representing on both, we'll grant on both, but I don't know.
Say no more.
Mr. Matson, great. Okay. Mr. Miller, y'all tell me who you want to take first. I'm a little out of order. Gonzalez?
Sure, Judge.
Okay. Where are we with regard to Mr. Gonzalez cases?
For Gonzalez, we have an offer on the table and discovery was sent this morning. So if we could reset that one, so Mr. Miller could talk to his client, that'd be great.
Can we do 7/28/26?
Your Honor, if we can have an August setting, that would be preferable. I have several cases in August as well with the court.
Okay. That's going to be August 25th. Will that work?
Perfect.
Okay.
I believe it's
We've
the
got-
same situation for Mr. Sesteta as well, Judge.
Okay.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay. And moving forward then, Mr. Music, or Miss Music.
Judge, we're going to go ahead and set for jury trial with Miss Music.
Okay. My availability for jury trial is September 16th.
That'll be fine, Judge. Thank you.
Okay. We'll send that over to you later today. Thank you. And then on Zuniga, it looks like we have a deferral that runs until October 28th and includes a driving safety course August 31st and payment by July 30th.
That's correct, Your
right?
Honor.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. I will sign that. And then what I would expect is that we will send it to you. You will sign it. And that means you'll have your copy in hand already.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay. Are there any other matters before the court with you, Mr. Miller?
No, Your Honor.
You are good to go with the thanks of the court.
Thank you. Y'all have a good afternoon, Judge.
And you too.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, Attorney Doran? Daniel
Yes, Judge.
Doran? Okay, where
I'm
are
ready.
you there? Okay, great. All right, can you get on screen? Fantastic. Okay, I'll move you over to that meeting.
All right, thanks.
I'm confused.
Sorry, Judge, I'm not seeing a invitation to join the room.
Oh, how strange. I thought it sent. Let me find it. There we go.
Got it.
Thank you. Just checking, but I don't see Dorothy Dilworth. Do you happen to be here? And also checking for Christian Irving. Okay. Attorney Dworin and Attorney Matson, let's take up the case regarding Anthony Strand. Attorney Matson, you're muted.
Sorry about that, Judge.
It's okay.
We have an agreement for Mr. Strand for a deferral.
Okay.
Mr. Strand should have time credit to apply.
Jail credit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Oh, this is where you're hiding out.
And on that deferral, the only other requirement is going to be a 6-hour alcohol awareness course due by the 60th day of the deferral period.
Okay. That's going to be August 31st.
Yes.
Okay. So I am interpreting then the motion for new trial, which was filed out of time, as a bill of review, basically. And I will talk to my clerk about reversing judgment and then moving this to the plea point in the process. And at that point, I'll accept the deferral. Let me get both of your signatures on that deferral, Mr. Matson, before y'all send it over. Or if y'all have already sent it over, go ahead and let's do an exchange on that end.
Absolutely.
And Attorney Dorn, once y'all submit that, that'll give me time to work with the clerk about the reversal.
Okay, sounds great.
Okay.
I'll get it straight over to you.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
All right, I'm gonna ask if there's anything further on this matter from either party.
Nothing from the state, Judge.
Nothing for the defense.
Then defense, you're good to exit. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Mr. Matson, let's move forward with regarding Sahibjit Singh Johal. So Attorney Karaba is representing. Attorney Karaba, let me get you to unmute.
Yes, ma'am, Judge. I'm here.
Perfect. Let me send you over to that meeting space. Thank you.
Thank you.
After that, we'll have Attorney Swain, lawyer from Attorney McMahon's office, attorney from Klepper's office. Dana, I've got to talk to Dana about this one. Any word from Attorney Wolf?
No.
Okay. Would like to maybe find a phone number for him in a minute. Do we have it though in our system?
254-86.
Hang on just a second. It's not on.
Oh, okay, that's okay.
It's not plugged in or something. I don't know. 254.
863.
Yes.
2525.
I'll give her a call in just a moment.
Why can't I hear him now, man? What's going on? Not hearing him. I see he's on.
I think he put you on hold, didn't he?
No,
You go talk to the judge?
he's on mute. Yeah.
Here, I need to send this.
Wait a minute. I'm not hearing anything. Yeah, I didn't know. Am I missing? Oh, there we go. Okay.
Attorney Matson, Attorney Caraba.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
I'm not muted. On this single charge of failing to yield at the stop intersection, where are we?
Judge.
Sorry, Mr. Matson.
We're going to set for jury trial on the September docket, please.
Okay.
That's correct, Your Honor.
September 16th. We'll send that out to you here shortly. Okay, Attorney
Thank you,
Caraba?
Your Honor. Your Honor, may I
Thank
ask
you.
one question? If my client, I have to check with him. I forgot if he may not speak great English. If I need an interpreter, is that something I would get back with your office with, or what would I need to do that? Or we
Yes, you would need to make a formal request.
formal request? Do I need to do that like in a motion, Your Honor, or just a letter to the court, or what would be?
A letter would be fine, but
Okay.
I need it soon because
Yes, ma'am.
that's an expense.
I will
And
work on that right away. Yes, ma'am. We get that to the court.
translators, court certified translators are becoming difficult to locate. So
I understand. Yes, ma'am.
the
I
more
understand.
heads up, the better.
Yes, ma'am. I will get it to you right away. Let me just check with him to make sure I've got the right language and everything, and I will let the court know.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused on it?
You are free to go with the thanks of the court.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. Attorney Swain, can you unmute?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let me move you over to that meeting with Mr. Matson, Attorney Matson. There we go. never drank enough water in my lifetime. Yeah, I mean, I just, Don't go away, folks. I will be right back. Excuse me. We have a number of cases before the court. Can we begin with Ali Asim's case?
We can, Judge. We have an offer and discovery provided on that today. So if we could reset.
Okay. I'm going to ask this one time and we'll just put everything in the same place. Is
That'd be
July
good.
28th okay?
Yes, Judge, that would be good.
Okay.
I have other clients scheduled on that date already, I think.
Okay. On Fred Carter, where
Same
are
thing
we?
on Mr. Carter, Judge.
And then regarding Mariah Morales Delph.
Same thing on that one as well.
And Larissa Torres.
We do have an agreement on that, Judge. There's a signed deferral and some dismissals coming your way.
Okay. Does it address all the matters that are on the pretrial docket?
It does, all 5.
Okay. There's also I do want your client to know, are you in touch with your client?
I am, Judge, yeah.
I have a Canyon Creek address without an apartment number.
Okay.
I would ask you to supplement address for the
Sure.
client
Yeah.
because I have two cases from 2015 and two cases from 2016.
Mhm.
These are in capious profile status, so
Yes.
please have been entered. I think even community service has been ordered, but
Okay.
the remaining the balances have not been solved, and I just don't have enough information to solve those. And I would like to get in touch with your client.
Yes, Judge. The prosecutor and the clerk informed me of those, so I'm going to speak with my client about them, let them know to try to take care of those.
Right. I mean, it's, I have to just look at their financial situation.
Mhm.
I'm sure I can get it sorted, but
Yeah.
we're at the place where it's going to head to an active warrant for arrest.
Yes, Judge.
So it'd be great to talk to, Ms. Torres
Mhm.
before too long. I do have the amendment to the complaint on, that's Luan Luan Bess. But also I have signed the deferral regarding Ms. Torres, and I'll look for those prosecutor motions as well coming up, okay?
That sounds great, Judge.
Okay,
Okay.
then moving to the Rosario case.
We have an offer on that one, Judge. I'm just asking for a reset to get confirmation from my client that they want to move
Okay.
forward.
I'll push that to the 7/28 docket.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. And then there is a case regarding Patel, and I just think I have a deferral on that.
Yes,
Yes,
Judge.
Judge. I sent that over pretty late yesterday.
Okay, I've now signed it. We'll get that over to you, Attorney Swain.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, I believe, and y'all can tell me if I'm wrong, that does resolve the cases before the court from your law firm. Is that right?
Yes, that's correct, Judge.
Okay, Attorney Swain, do you have any additional questions?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, with the thanks of the court, you're free to go.
Thank you.
Okay. So I have Attorney Rounsaville. And Attorney Rounsaville, you're here for the McMahon Law Firm.
Yes, Your Honor.
And we have a couple of 3 matters before the court. I will move you into the breakout room with Mr. Matson at this time.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Let me call Attorney. Let's sign these. Okay, never mind. Attorney Wolf is trying to log in. Right. Hi, Attorney Wolf.
Good morning, Judge. I'm sorry. I'm so behind this morning.
It's okay. We're going to be here about another 20, I'd say 30 minutes.
Okay.
20, probably 20. Can you log back in when you get an opportunity, or are you ready to? I mean, there's one person in with Mr. Matson one person ahead of you, and then it's your turn.
Okay. Um, that that should be fine. I'll stay logged in if that's okay. Um, they're calling me back over to felony court, so I'll stay logged in if
Do
that's
you want
okay.
do you want to just reset your cases to another day so that you can get a handle on all the things that have been thrown at you?
We can do that. I know two of mine are ready to accept the offers.
Okay. Can you tell me which ones?
It's Diab and Diedrich.
Okay. Um, what I'll do, Diab and which one? Diedrich.
Diedrich.
Okay. What I'll do is I'll check in with Mr. Matson about that, see if he can get with you and get signatures, and we'll reset the others. Okay?
Okay. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. You're
And
good to go.
I'll get with him on offers on the others.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay.
Hang in there. Good to see you, but I don't like the reason, obviously. And take care. Go get all that. Trying to get all that squared away.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Yeah, I don't think he's going to be able to get to these today. It's too crazy. I'll work with Ryan on it. Okay, let me try this lady in San Antonio.
Judge, we are ready for you whenever you're ready for us.
Yes, thank you. I'm working on a non-appear. Okay. Let's go ahead and if I could get Attorney Rounsaville to unmute. And if we could, let's begin, I would say, with Estrada.
Judge, on Miss Estrada, there is a motion to reduce that is waiting for your signature.
Okay.
And then once that has been updated, we have a deferral agreement to complete.
Okay. Is that your understanding, Attorney Rounsaville?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And is the deferral on that case?
Yes, ma'am, on the speeding citation.
Okay.
Once that updated balance has been reflected in the court system, the terms of the deferral are going to be 120 days with the 6-hour course by day 60 and payment of the updated balance, which should be $239.20 by day 30.
Okay. On the course, just a regular 6-hour course?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. I will, I've signed the reduction. Oh, I'm sorry. That leaves, excuse me, let me just check one thing. That leaves another matter before the court. It's a violation of the promise to appear.
I believe a dismissal has already been filed on that.
Okay. I still have it pending. I'll look to
Let me
run
double
it
check.
down. I have a note to look for it or reach back out to you to get that so that we can get a copy over to Attorney Rounsaville. I'll follow the request as proffered and we can proceed to, let's see,
It
we've
looks
got
like you already
conflict.
signed it, Judge.
Okay. I have it
On
showing pending on my paperwork from the clerk this morning. So
that might be
probably,
because the last time we discussed it, it was part of we were waiting for it to be finalized with this deferral.
okay. Okay. So now we have, Kafudi, Cole Kafudi.
Mm-hmm.
Where are we with that?
Almost identical situation, Judge. There's a reduction waiting for your signature, and then once that has been signed off on, we're going to be doing a deferral on the operate unregistered motor vehicle offense.
Okay.
And the terms of that deferral are going to be also 120 days with the 6-hour course by day 60 and payment of the new balance by day 30.
A driving safety course of 6 hours, is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then the other two pending cases?
I'm printing out dismissals for those two right now.
Okay. I will follow the agreement as proffered to the court, and I have now signed the reduction. And then the last case with this law firm or cases, is regarding Casey Rice.
Yes,
Yes?
Judge, we have reached out to our client regarding the offer that we already have on file. We just need to reset it so we can get in contact with her to see if she wants to take it.
Okay. So my reset would be the 28th of July. Will that work?
That'll work.
Okay. All right. Looks good. Any questions for the court from Attorney Rounsaville?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Any concerns from Attorney Matson? Sorry, you cut out. Go ahead.
I have nothing else on those cases, Judge.
Okay, thank you. Attorney Rounsaville, you're good to go with the thanks of the court.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. And then Attorney Farrow, excuse me. Are you ready to move forward?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you so much. Let me move you over to that meeting.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and check in regarding Michael Higgins. Where are we with regard to this matter?
There is an offer on the table, Judge. If we could reset this to give Ms. Farrow time to talk to her client, that'd be great.
Okay, Attorney Farrow, do you need more than 30 days? That would be July 28th.
No, ma'am, that's fine, Your Honor. Could you tell me what time the hearing will be?
It would be at 9 o'clock, and it's a reset check-in. If we need formal hearings, sometimes we can take those up. And it's 9, but I just, I never am sure who's going to be where. So I look and see the order that people logged in.
Yes, Your Honor, that's
And
fine.
I just take them that way, but we'll send that over to you, and it should be on there as well.
Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate it, Your Honor.
Of course, thank you. Do you have any further questions for the court?
No, Your Honor, I do not.
Okay, thank you. You are good to go?
Thank you.
Whenever you're ready, yes, of course. And I'm actually going